I am just having a look at my friend's cars. It's a Rover. What year is it?
1948.
1948 Rover. It's got the indicators at the side there. Them are the indicators.
Beautiful car.
Look at that, stunning car that.
The original tax disc.
What year is it?
48.
That's a 24. Round have that one.
1924?
1924.
Really? Blimey. Lovely car.
And he's also got a Renault. This is 1924. Leather seats. Oh, look, it's called Froggy. Yeah, what a nice car. There's a Renault badge. And this car, apparently it's been in some films, and also the Rover. Yeah, it's got the... What do they call these again? What? There's a name for that board, what's stand on, isn't it?
Runner boards.
Runner boards, yeah. Got runner boards on. Cool.
That's a bit different to drive that.
I bet it is. No power steering on these,
Oh no, no.
but it's different generally, like. Yeah.
Different generally, yeah. Gearbox is the opposite way round on that.
The what is?
The gearbox.
Alright,
Yeah, it's only a 3-speed gearbox.
right,
So it's totally different to drive.
right, I get you. Cool. Yeah, it's got runner boards on as well. Beautiful cars.
Cost a lot of money.
I bet they do, yeah. What are they worth these like?
That,
20,000 that one. And it was what, 1,000 to buy it when you bought, when it was first bought?
when it was first bought, it cost £1,086.
1,086 and yeah, £1,086 as new. Amazing. It's worth 20 now. Yeah, very nice. Right, I'll leave it at that. See you, bye.